Hello, welcome everybody. This is Patrick, Brando Group, and we are always in our London studio with architect Bozza.
Hello, welcome everybody.
What are you projecting right now, architect?
I'm
Just tell us.
projecting a restaurant and pizzeria.
A very nice restaurant pizzeria. I can see over
This
there
is the budget.
pizza oven, the bar. That's very nice. This is the render view, very beautiful. And this is the final project. And I can see, the combination of colors. And when this project is going to be finished, architect?
I will be finished a couple of days, I think.
So in a couple of days it will be finished. So
yeah.
Listen everybody, if you want to open a successful business here in London or everywhere in the world, we have the company for you. If you're looking for a business partner, we can help you. If you want to find finance, we can help you as well. If you want to sell your business, we can help you. www.brandogroup.co.uk. We specialize in taking care of your ideas. From Patrick, Brando, architect Bozza, I'll see you next time.